Hello guys, welcome to LS Crypto. My name is Alex, and in this video I want to show you guys how to add different networks to your Metamask. Metamask is a Web3 wallet, and I think it's the best wallet you should use if you are starting cryptocurrency. It's more secured and reliable than other wallets. Okay, yeah, if you're new to my channel, please do wait to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Okay, all right, now so this is the first thing we have to do. As you can see, I have Arbitrum 1, which is I'm on Arbitrum network currently. I want to show you guys how you're going to add other networks to your Metamask. Alright, so the first thing you have to do, you click on this icon at the top left corner of your screen. You click on it, and here you see Metamask. So what you have to do, you click on settings just below. You click on settings. Okay, then you click on networks. Okay, so currently you can see the networks I've added to my Metamask. As you can see, the one you're seeing RPC networks are the ones I added, then other networks came with Metamask already. All right, so these are the networks I have currently. So how do you go about it? Now when you click on your settings and network, you have to click on add network. Okay, so this is where you add your networks. So let's do an example like Phantom. So what you have to do, you go to your browser, you just go back. You can use your Chrome browser if you have one. So this is my Chrome browser. Okay, so let's say Phantom network Metamask. Okay, all right, so this is it now. Yes, so this is how you set it up. So you see network, RPC, chain, and symbol. So you just copy this. So this is how you set it. So you copy the Phantom, Opera, or you can copy everything if you wish. But let's copy this first. Phantom Opera. You click on copy and go to your network. So you add your network here, you paste, and you go back, you copy the RPC. You copy link text, copy, you come back here, you click here, you paste, then chain ID is what, I think 250. Yeah, 250, symbol FTM. So you just come and copy this chain ID 250. So you input 250 right here, symbol FTM, and block explorer URL you paste. And when you do this, that's all. You will successfully add Phantom network to your Metamask. Okay, so guys, if you do enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be dropping more videos. All right, see you in my next video.